It's time for the giveaway. Brought you along to the new place that we're just about to take on. We're going to do the giveaway. We're going to do it in a few minutes, so bear with us and we'll get back to the van, get warm, and we'll pick the lucky number. Why was that sound, mate? Right, we're back in the van, a bit warmer now. We're going to do the number, random number generator like last time. I think there was 220 comments when we just checked on the video. So Joe's going to do the...
Ooh, there we go, it's number 49.
Okay, I need my phone to check on the app so we can scroll down. What was it? 49?
Yeah.
49, then we'll announce the winner. Okay, we've done the count. It was... I've forgotten the guy's name. Richard Ellis. So Richard Ellis, congratulations. His comment was that his favourite videos have been the van videos, which is convenient because
Yeah, in a minute.
the van is where we are today. As you can see, you're not missing anything. We haven't got any further than the last video. We will be starting that shortly. But Richard Ellis, congratulations. I'll leave you with a few little clips from our day today and a few from last week in the snow, and we'll pick up on the next DIY video soon. And in case you couldn't see, our mission today was to pick up some sofas.